A very warm welcome to the another video from Hotel Management Tutorial. Today's topic is Hotel Guest Room Bed Making Procedure. So let's start the topic. After going through the presentation, the viewers will be able to describe the material required for bed making, the complete procedure of modern bed making with duet in hotels, the common sizes of beds and bed linen. So let's start the bed making process step by step. So we will start with the material requirement for bed making. Number one is bed sheet. The requirement of bed sheet may be one or two. It depends upon the SOP provided by the organization. Number two is mattress protector. The requirement of mattress protector depends upon the type of room you are servicing. If you are servicing a double room, you need a double mattress protector, and if you are servicing a twin room, you require two single mattress protector. Third is pillow cover. We require 4 pillow cover per room. Next is duvet, one double for a double room and two single for a twin room. Duvet cover as per duvet available in a room. Runners, we require one for double room and two for twin room. Bed skirt if required. So let's start the bed making process. The bed making process starts with the stripping of the bed. We remove bed sheet, pillow cover and duvet cover from the bed. We have to look for guest belongings such as paper and jewelry which may be left on the sheet. If found, place them on the bedside table if it is an occupied room, and if such items are found in a checkout room, these items should be deposited with the lost and found section. Number 2, straighten mattress protector. Number 3, place the first bedsheet on the bed. Fourth, insert the duvet in duvet cover. Ensure that the label on the duvet cover faces upward at the footboard end. Place the covered duvet on the bed. Fold back the duvet. Some hotels leave the duvet untucked at one or both sides. Tuck in the duvet and mitre up the duvet along with the first sheet gently and tuck in together at the footboard end and mitre the corner. Last, place the pillow. Insert the pillows in fresh pillow cover and place them on the bed at the bedboard side. Now we will revise the bed making process with picturization. The number one step was strip the bed. In this stage, we have to look out for any guest belongings such as paper and jewelry. If found, place them on the bedside table if it is an occupied room, and if any item is found in a checkout room, that item should be deposited with the lost and found section. Next, check the mattress protector for any soiling and damage. If it is so, change the mattress protector, and if it is okay, just straight the mattress protector. The third step is to place the fresh bedsheet on the bed and smooth out any wrinkles. In fourth step, we will insert the duvet in the duvet cover and ensure that the label inside the duvet cover faces upward at the footboard end. In step 5, we will place the covered duvet on the bed. The step 6 involves folding back the duvet at the foot and board, as shown in picture number 1, but some hotels leave the duvet untucked at one or both sides, as shown in picture number 2. The next step is to tuck in the duvet and mitre the corner. Pull the duvet along with the sheet gently and tuck in together at the footboard end and mitre the corner. The last step is to insert the pillows in the fresh pillow covers and place them on the bed. Now we will discuss about the common bed sizes. For crib, it is 52 inches into 27 inches. For twin single, it is 75 inches into 39 inches. For single XL, it is 80 inches into 39 inches. For double full, it is 75 inches into 54 inches. For double full XL, it is 80 inches into 54 inches. For queen bed, it is 80 inches into 60 inches. For king bed, it is 80 inches into 76 inches, and for California king bed, it is 84 inches into 72 inches. The next is bed linen sizes. The flat sheet size for twin room is 66 inches into 96 inches, while fitted sheet size is 39 inches into 75 inches, and pillowcase is of 20 inches into 30 inches. The flat sheet size for a full bed is 81 into 96 inches, while fitted sheet size is 54 into 75 inches, and pillowcase is 20 inches into 30 inches. The flat sheet size for queen bed is 90 inches into 102 inches, while fitted sheet size is 60 inches into 80 inches, and the pillowcase is 20 inches into 30 inches. The flat sheet size for king bed is 102 inches into 105 inches, and fitted sheet size is 78 inches into 80 inches, while pillowcase is 20 inches into 40 inches. The flat sheet size for California king bed is 108 inches into 102 inches. Fitted sheet size is 72 inches into 84 inches, and pillowcase is 20 inches into 40 inches. And at last, thank you so much for being with us throughout this presentation. It is a small revision about bed sheet, bed runner, bed comforter, and bed skirt. Thank you so much once again, and be with us for the next presentation and videos from Hotel Management tutorial.